Hey guys, I'm Kristy, the sales manager here at Generation Family Properties. Welcome to this off-grid property in beautiful Maricopa County, Arizona. This expansive 5-acre lot offers endless possibilities for your family homestead or weekend getaway. With plenty of open space, this land is perfect for building your off-grid home, setting up a ranchette, or just having a place to play with all of your motorized toys. The property boasts stunning desert landscapes with breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of the Arizona desert with ample room for gardens, outdoor living space, and recreational activities. This lot is conveniently located near major roads, providing easy access to nearby amenities and cities. Phoenix is only an hour away. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the proximity to hiking trails, parks, and other natural attractions. Camelback Mountain is famous for its challenging trails and panoramic views. South Mountain Park and Preserve is one of the largest municipal parks in the county with numerous trails for hiking and biking. McDowell Sonora Preserve offers scenic hiking, biking, and horseback riding trails. The Desert Botanical Garden, where you can explore unique flora of the Sonoran Desert with beautiful garden displays and seasonal events. Lake Pleasant Regional Park, where you can enjoy boating, fishing, camping, and hiking. Salt River Tubing, a fun and relaxing way to enjoy the cool waters of the Salt River during the hot summer months. Don't miss out on your incredible opportunity to own a piece of Arizona's stunning landscape. Contact me today to schedule a viewing and start planning your future on this beautiful 5-acre property in Maricopa County. There's more information and a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get our weekly property videos. See you guys next time. Bye.